Good morning, everybody. We are at Hideaway Beach at CocoCay. A perfect day at CocoCay. It looks like a perfect day right now. It's beautiful out. Sun is shining. We did get a little sprinkle on the way out, so hopefully that doesn't happen. Last time we were here, it actually poured on us when we were with our friends, so hopefully not.
So far, I think it's like 9 a.m. We got here at 8, like into port, and it's not bad for seats yet, but we always come out early, especially since we pay for it, so yeah. I would recommend, like, if you pay for the day. Yeah, I'm sure.
And there is another ship here. Celebrity Reflection is here, so it's not too big.
It's
we didn't get
Icon.
Yeah, we didn't get 2 mega ships, so all right.
We will show you around.
Yeah, so these are all the cabanas and everything you can rent for quite a nice price, I'm sure. We're cheap.
They do discounts, but I would never pay that, personally.
You can see it's pretty empty though. It's definitely nice out. Very nice. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, we're just walking around while it's empty. Get a good view. Sun's showing up.
Let people know what to expect.
Yeah, so the pool is also heated here, which is nice, apart from the other side where it is not heated. So we haven't gotten in yet, but I did hear some people say it felt like bath water.
The first time we came, it was in November a couple of years ago, and it was so nice because it was heated in here. And then we did another cruise in February, and we didn't get it, so we went to the normal pool, and it was freezing.
Yeah.
So if you're coming in the winter and you don't have kids, I'd recommend getting this so you can get in the water.
We have the swim up bar, the DJ booth. I can't get too close or the YouTube will kick me out to move the music, but no, it's beautiful. Make sure you spend your perfect day at CocoCay. This is a view from our seat, so this is when you get here early, you can kind of get the front row, which if you like, the DJ booth's right there. I guess they put on a pretty cool show where they have like smoke shooting out of there and everything. It looks like they have it set up for like some volleyball. Should be a fun day. Got our first drink.
Red Bull.
Red Bull. Red Bull should give us free inventory because we're always talking about how much we love Red Bull. Okie dokie. We're live. Come on, go.
We are at the...
You can yell. There you go.
We are at the beach at Hideaway, and it's crazy because there's literally nobody in here. Everybody has a pool. They were just doing champagne showers.
Champagne showers, which is fun. Actually, we got to do champagne showers on day one.
Yeah.
But everybody's definitely geared towards the pool. There is
literally like 3 people over here.
Yeah, there is nobody out.
It's pretty windy.
It's very windy. I don't even know if you can hear me. I guess that's why Tony was yelling.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, everybody definitely stays at the pool.
At least for our cruise.
The water in the ocean feels better though. Like the pool
That's
water
cool.
was like bath water. This feels good. It's refreshing.
One thing I will say is obviously the time of the year and how it's stirred up, but we went to Great Stirrup Cay for Thanksgiving of 2025, and it was like 100 times more blue. Like right now it's green and this little you can see through it, so we'll get in, but it's not like the Bahama water that you think of. So, but honestly, I'm a pool person, so
yeah, we're
no
cool
complaints
people.
But you know, point it out.
Yeah, but and the beach is a little rocky actually. You got to kind of tippy toe a little bit in some of the spots, but overall, can't complain.
The hammocks are cool. These little things where you put your drinks, the tables, and the water. Like there's some swings over there. It's pretty cool. It's nice because I guess it's closed off, so you know you're probably not going to see any sharks. But
we want sharks. We want sharks, especially on the kids' beach. Hopefully the sharks go to the kids' beach.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we don't like kids. So
yeah, that's obviously why we're at the Hideaway.
Yeah, we're at the Hideaway because we don't like kids. So send all the sharks to the kids' beach.
We have no kids. We don't want kids. So
and I don't want other people to have them either. So sharks, do your business.
Okay, well, we're going to get pizza next.
All right, I'm kidding. Kids are fine as long as they're not mine. That's
Peace means we're done.
peace means we're done.
Okay, so we are at Slice of Paradise, and
My arms aren't long enough.
I
Yeah.
got the barbecue pizza and chicken empanada, and Brandon got a pepperoni pizza.
I got pepperoni. Not bad. It's still not as good as the chicken sandwich and mozzarella stick, so I'm definitely going to say go that route. Pizza, though, in a pinch? Is it better than Sorrento?
Yes.
You think so? I don't know.
I don't really like Sorrentos, but that's just me.
Yeah. I think it's comparable.
I mean, that's thin pizza. But the barbecue, at least it gives it flavor.
But they,
You know?
yeah. So, definitely cool. We've had a blast here today, honestly. They did a great job. We'll be back in July, so that'll be our fourth or fifth time coming to such a lovely
Keep it
day
twisted.
at Coco. Keep it twisted. That's copyright infringement. They're probably not gonna let me post this video now. But yeah, no. Perfect day at CocoCay. Guess what? They did a really good job.
If
You'll
you
enjoy
haven't
it.
done it before, you definitely have to try it at least
Yeah.
once. Like I said, if you see the price under $50, I think
So
it's
we
worth
we
it.
got it for $30 a person.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's cheap.
Yeah.
The one cruise that we didn't do it, how much was it a person?
With Scott and Terry, oh my god, it was like $80.
Yeah,
I feel like it was like $60. It was
$60,
yeah.
$70 a person.
Yeah.
So that's why always keep an eye on your app or just check there because the prices drastically fluctuate.
Like daily, hourly.
Especially with Royal. Yeah, so you got to keep an eye on it for your drink packages and things like that because like we try to book our drink packages usually like we try to get in the 50s, but if we could hit 60, like
Yeah,
that's
we got
usually
65
yeah,
plus
that's
tax
like
and
golden,
food
but a
or
lot of
whatever.
times it'll be maybe like 80, 90 bucks. So
no,
just
thank
keep an
you.
eye on it and it's worth it.
Adults only. It's really nice. Hideaway. Check it out.
Check it out. You want to show them your Invisalign? No? Okay. Bye.
Okay, so this is what it looks like at 1 p.m. at the Hideaway. Not too bad. Like we said earlier, they said there was only 600 of 2,200 that could be here. It's so nice. Yeah.
Definitely, if the price is right, check the app. Come here. No kidding. No kidding. No kidding.
Like if you see on the app that it's $50 or below, personally I would get it. Yeah. No buffet thing. Brandon. Woo! Woo!
Sniff